What's up guys, it's Matt. Today we're going to be reviewing the Moto G6 Play. So I want to start this review off by looking at the hardware with the Moto G6 Play. It's not all glass like the G6, it is plastic, but it is really nice looking. As you can see, the really nice deep blue color, and it does still look really premium for a $200 handset. So on the bottom you have the USB charger, and on the side you have the power button and the volume rocker, and up top you actually do have a 3.5mm headphone jack with your microphone, which is appreciated because a lot of smartphone manufacturers are actually taking it out. So starting off with the specs, this does have a 5.7-inch HD display. It does have an octa-core 1.4 GHz processor, 3 gigs of RAM, so you can do all the multitasking you want pretty easily. And Motorola claims you get 2 days of battery with the 4,000 milliamp battery, and this is the 32 GB model, which is pretty awesome. On the back you also have a 13 megapixel camera, which is a really nice, pretty looking camera design. And also on the front you have a front-facing camera with an LED flash, which is pretty awesome. So the software is pretty awesome. You're getting a bare bones Android experience, Android 8.0, and it's pretty awesome because Motorola doesn't add a lot of their applications, which means you get to save storage. So Motorola did add a few software features that are noteworthy. So you can do gestures to open up the camera or activate the flashlight, or you can take a screenshot with 3 fingers. So these are pretty nifty little gestures that I liked. My favorite software feature is the Dolby Audio. So this is really awesome. The front facing speaker doesn't really do this phone any justice when you hear the audio, but once you plug your headphones into it, it's a whole different story. Music sounds really crisp and clear. You get a lot of detail in the music, and it's just a really awesome experience. So if you're a music lover and you're looking for a great music playing device on a budget, then this is definitely the way to go. So if you would like to do any gaming on this phone, I noticed that this is really great for gaming too. Like I said, the nice big screen is also a compliment, and also this phone doesn't get hot and it doesn't really stutter or lag that I've seen gaming at all. So I think this is a really nice machine if you're interested in gaming. So lastly, I want to talk about the camera. So I'm an original owner of the Moto G, the original one when it came out, and that one had a camera that really sucked too. So this one is no exception. It's not terrible, but it's it's decent. So you can't expect a lot out of a $200 phone. They had to cut the budget, I guess, somewhere, but it seems like they overlook the camera every time. But as you can see from the footage, you can see it's just okay. It's not anything that's gonna blow you out of the water. So if you're looking for a great camera smartphone, you might want to look somewhere else. But I still think it's pretty decent for macro shots and stuff like that. So it does give off some decent color, but it just looks sort of upscale 480p, claiming that it's 1080p. So a little disappointing there, but it's still a pretty decent camera for the price. So I think the Moto G6 Play is definitely an exceptional device. It's a must buy for the $200 price tag. In my opinion, I think it's the best phone you can get for 200 bucks. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.